अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट कंसेप्ट ऑफ हेल्थ। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ तक वर्ड हेल्थ का ताल्लुक है, इट रेफर्स टू ए स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल वेलबींग। यानी जो वर्ड हेल्थ है, इट मीन्स ए स्टेट व्हेन ए पर्सन इज़ इन कंप्लीट फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल वेलबींग। यानी ये वो कंडीशन है बॉडी की when the body is physically as well as emotionally in good condition, in well-being। तो जो हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम है, इट हेल्प्स द पीपल टू मेंटेन दिस स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ। यानी जो हेल्थ है और स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ जो है, इट इज़ मेंटेन्ड बाय मीन्स ऑफ हेल्थ केयर। एंड जो स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ है, इट डज नॉट मीन ओनली द एब्सेंस ऑफ डिजीज़ बट एबिलिटी टू रिकवर फ्रॉम इलनेसेस एंड अदर डिस्टर्बेंसेस। यानी जो कंडीशन ऑफ हेल्थ है या स्टेट ऑफ हेल्थ है या स्टेट ऑफ वेलबींग है एक पर्सन का, यही इसका माने यही नहीं है कि एक आदमी के अंदर डिजीज़ नहीं है, बल्कि जब एक पर्सन उसके अंदर ये एबिलिटी है to recover from the diseases, to recover from the illnesses and other disturbances which are, we can say, which are disturbing the state of health of a person. We say that these all conditions are included, these all, we can say, factors are included in the word health. तो अगर हम WHO की बात करें, एज पर WHO वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन 1948, health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of diseases or infirmity। यानी जो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इट हैज़ डिफाइंड हेल्थ कि ये वो कंडीशन है व्हेन ए पर्सन इज़ फिजिकली, मेंटली, सोशली इन गुड कंडीशन, इन वेल बीइंग। और it does not only mean that a person is lacking that disease or it is having no infirmity, but the health means when a person is in complete, we can say, complete well-being of complete well-being in terms of his physical, we can say, conditions, in terms of mental as well as social conditions। इस तरह से 1987 में WHO clarified that health is a resource for everyday life, not the objective of living। यानी जो health है, it is actually a resource for a person for everyday life and it is not only the objective of living। It is a positive concept that emphasizes social and personal resources as well as physical capacities। यानी health जो है, ये एक पॉजिटिव कंसेप्ट है जहाँ पे स्ट्रेस हम देते हैं, जहाँ विच कंबाइन्स सोशल, पर्सनल रिसोर्सेज एज वेल एज फिजिकल कैपेसिटीज ऑफ ए पर्सन। तो अगर आप हेल्थ की बात करें, द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप्स ऑफ हेल्थ आर फिजिकल हेल्थ, मेंटल, सोशल, स्पिरिचुअल, इमोशनल एंड फाइनेंशियल, which have been linked to lower stress levels and physical and mental well-being of a person whose bodily functions are working at peak performance। यानी जो हेल्थ के टाइप्स हैं, इसमें फिजिकल हेल्थ भी आती है, मेंटल भी, सोशल, स्पिरिचुअल एंड इमोशनल और फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ भी। तो जो लिंक्ड है टू डिफरेंट with each other in order to lower the stress levels of a person, in order to make a person physically as well as mentally well, as well as to make a person, or we can say, in order to lower the stress levels of a person so that his body functions are working at the peak। तो अगर हम फिजिकल वेलबींग की बात करें, तो फिजिकल वेलबींग इज़ नॉट only because of the lack of disease, but it means, or we can say, it can be maintained by regular exercises, balanced nutrition and adequate rest। यानी जो फिजिकल वेलबींग है एक पर्सन का, ये एक पर्सन के अंदर खाली बीमारियों से मुक्ति ही इसकी वजह से नहीं आता, balki it can be maintained, or we can say it can be achieved when a person undergoes regular exercise, when a person takes balanced nutrition and adequate rest and sleep. तो जो फिजिकल वेलबींग है, इट इन्वॉल्व्स परस्यूइंग ए हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल टू डिक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ डिजीजेस, इंजरी और अदर हेल्थ इश्यूज। यानी जो फिजिकल वेलबींग है, इट इन्वॉल्व्स व्हेन ए पर्सन achieves a healthy lifestyle in order to decrease the risk of different diseases, in order to decrease the risk to injuries and other health related issues. तो जो factors है which determine the health of a person, they are interlinked and they affect each other. Thus हम कह सकते हैं कि जो concept of health है, it is a holistic concept and it takes all the factors, or we can say all the conditions which are which determine the health of a person into we can say into consideration, or different dimensions of the we can say health, they are interlinked. So जो different concepts of health है, they are number first biomedical concept. According to the biomedical concept, health जो है, it merely means, or we can say it is viewed as absence of diseases. When a person is lacking disease, when a person is having absence of disease, according to the biomedical view, it can be said that the person is in good health. And ecological concept, according to the ecological concept, a person is said to be in health when there is continuous adaptation and adjustment to the environment to reduce pain and discomfort. And when a person is able to continuously adapt itself and as well as adjust to a particular environment in order to reduce the pain and discomfort, we can say that the person is in good health. According to psychosociological social concept, जो health है, it is viewed as both biological as well as social phenomenon, or we can say here the health is considered as lack of diseases, absence of disease, as well as social well-being of a person. तो एक और concept है health के related, that is holistic concept. तो according to the holistic concept, it contains, or we can say it says that it takes every sector of health, or we can say every factor of health, every factor that affects the health of a person into consideration. It says that a person is said to be in good health when he possesses a sound body, sound mind in a sound body, or and the person is present in a sound family, in a sound environment. That means it takes every sector that has effect on health into consideration. So that was about the concept of health. Hope you have understood. Thank you.